Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we use black color. And now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple. Now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Black color. And now we draw C. The next one is D. Now we draw E. E for egg. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we draw H. The next one is I for ice cream. We again use black color. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. K for kite. Kids, now we use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw the alphabet of L. L for lion. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. The next one is O. O for octopus. Now we draw P. P for parrot. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now we draw S. S for snake. And the next one is T. T for tiger. We again use blue color. And now we draw U. The next one is V. V for van. Now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for X-ray. Kids, we again use blue color and now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.